Hey, what's going on, man?
Hey, what's going on, man? I need a tuner for my 6.0.
Okay.
I keep getting smoked.
Well, we got a few options. Right now, we can do an SCT. Time frame on that, you're looking at, you purchase the SCT, you're going to need some custom tunes to go with it, right? So you can go and order those. Good turnaround time is usually like 1 to 2, maybe 3 days.
Ooh, I kind of need something now.
Like fast. Well, I mean, I could send you the email, like if you want us to take care of it for you, if you want to load it yourself.
I don't do emails.
Whoa, Cameron, have you not heard about the new KC CTS3? It comes preloaded with custom tunes. What you saw right on your truck right now takes about 15 minutes. No need to worry about those emails back and forth, pulling in information. You plug in your truck and it loads right now, and it comes with the best monitor on the market, the CTS3. What do you think about that?
So you're telling me I'll finally be able to beat Cummins tonight?
Oh yeah, for sure. In 15 minutes, you load this on there, it's gonna change your life. Change your life.
Yeah, but whoop that Cummins ass! I'll take it.
A few moments later.
Hey, custom tune, bitch! Whoop!
Keep that shit flow.
What?
This Cummins power. See that right there? Big horn.